the SVP Institute of Kannada Studies has been conducting MA and PhD courses in Kannada literature. Over the years, it has also emphasized studies of local cultures and languages. The institute was initiated in 1968 when the Mysore University set up a postgraduate center at Mangala Gangotri. Professor S.V. Parameshwara Bhatt took over as the founding professor. He was followed by Professor G. Varadaraj Rao during 1973 to 1980. Thereafter, we have had senior faculty like Dr. Gunmi Chandrasekhar Aital, Dr. H.J. Lakkappa Gowda, Dr. Srinivas Havanur, Dr. B.A. Vivekarai at the helm of affairs, guiding the literary and cultural activities carried out by the center. This 45-year-old institute is well furnished with the large, well-ventilated classrooms, a departmental library, and a computer facility with 20 connections. Besides, well-equipped studio and home theatre hall. The last two facilitate recording of face-to-face interviews and their broadcast. The department library contains not merely books that have been donated by various benefactors, but also a rare collection of palm manuscripts. It also possesses a rare collection of newspapers and periodicals of 20th century such as Swadeshabhimani, Navayuga, Suhasini, Shri Krishna Sukti, Vasanta, Jivana, and so on. It also houses the dissertations submitted by our MA dissertations, 40 number, MPhil 41 theses, and PhD 76 in numbers. Which are made available to students and interested researchers as per needs. The institute also houses various chairs such as Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara Tulu Peetha, Dr. K. Shivarama Karanta Peetha, Kanakadasa Study Center, Kodava Samskritika Adhyayana Peetha, Sri Ambigara Chaudaya Adhyayana Peetha, which facilitate our students to develop further reading and interest in those areas. Interested students and faculty have come together to establish a museum which has preserved local antiques and artifacts related to worship and culture in this region. Dr. Dayananda Pai and Sri Satish Pai Yakshagana Study Center too is run under the direction of the departmental faculty. The faculty members have interested themselves in not merely traditional literary studies but also folklore, culture and ethnic studies.
ಏನು ತುಪ್ಪ ತಿಂದೋಡು ನಂಗ ಕಾಡು ರಾಜನೆ ತಿಂದೋಡು ನಂಗ ಬದುಕಿ ಬಂದವರು ಏನು ತುಮಕ ನಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಡಲೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾರು ನಂಗ ಕಾಡಲೆ ಬಳದಾರು ನಂಗ ಕಾಡಲೆ